How to master the art of planking with this step-by-step guide. The plank is one of the most effective exercises you'll find in the gym. It is a core strengthening exercise that requires you to maintain a push-up position, working your abdominal muscles to make your body maintain a straight line. This exercise's high effectiveness makes it a popular choice among fitness enthusiasts. However, only some people do the plank correctly. Of course, most people can get down on the floor, take a push-up position, and hold it in place. But only a few people can maintain perfect form and discipline, which is essential for maximum benefits. If you want to enjoy the plank's core strengthening benefits, here is a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you master the art of planking. Step 1. Get down on the ground. The first thing you want to do when planking is get down on the ground and lying on the floor on a mat. Stack your elbows under your shoulders and forearms parallel to each other. Then extend your legs. Also, rest your weight on your toes and elbows, engaging your core. While getting down, you should know you're in control of how easy or hard you want the plank to be. It would be best if you make it as hard as possible to get the most out of it. That means you're ready to create full body tension. But you must be in the proper position to make this tension work. You can get yourself in the best position for plank by maintaining some tension in your shoulder blades, pushing your upper arms from your elbows to your shoulders precisely perpendicular to the ground, maintaining plenty of tension through your core, and squeezing your quad to keep your legs straight. Step 2. Squeeze your glutes. One of the reasons people don't get the best results from planking is that they don't involve their glutes. By not involving their glutes, they commit the most common mistake in a plank, the loss of a flat back due to the butt sticking out. You can avoid this error by squeezing your glutes and core for full body tension. This move will push your hips into a neutral position, helping you maintain a straight line from your shoulders through your legs. Step 3. Lift your body. It's time to lift your body off the floor, but not so fast. Before lifting your body, engage your lower back, abdominal muscles, rhomboids, and lats. You should make your body form a straight line from your head to your heels. While in this position, don't arch your back, sag your body, let your pelvis dip down, or let your butt rise. Then, lift your body off the floor. Step 4. Hold your position. Press your palms firmly into the floor and spread your shoulder blades apart until they're as wide as possible. Keep your neck in a neutral position and hold your position for as long as possible. Aim for at least 10 seconds in the early stages. You can raise your time to 30, 45, 60, or 90 seconds as you become more assertive in planking. Step 5. End the plank. Whether you make the plank easy or hard for yourself, depending on your endurance, there will always be a time when your body gets tired. Once you've held on for as long as you can, lower your body and relax on the floor as long as you want. Pick up from where you left off and repeat the plank twice or thrice, resting for a minute between rounds. Suppose you want to maximize the core strengthening benefits of the plank. In that case, we recommend trying different plank variations, such as rotating your hips, adding movement, and lifting one leg or arm. Here are some additional tips for effective planking. 1. Check posture. Check your form regularly to ensure you're not sagging or raising your hips. If you notice your form slipping, adjust it and return to the correct position. 2. Time plank. Use your phone's timer app to keep track of your progress. This move can help gradually raise your endurance. 3. Breathe properly. Maintain normal breathing throughout the activity. Avoid shallow breaths. Take deep breaths and don't hold your breath. The benefits of planking: increased flexibility, balance and coordination, strengthened core muscle, improved posture, reduced back pain, muscle engagement, metabolism boost. Following are references we used in the creation of this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.